Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix and solve all this problem, or how to fix this problem on your drive. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone or your device. Then here search for apps, and when you found it, open it like this, and then you should go to search for Google Drive. When you found it, just click on it. When you click on it, it will open directly. Here, go to storage option, also click on it, and go to the last button, clear data, click OK, also clear cache. And here in the bottom of the screen, as you see, force stop, also click on it. I used it before, that's why I can't click on it right now. Then go back to your homepage of your phone and update your Google Drive in Play Store. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.